Aokiji shows off his insane power by freezing an entire ocean and easily taking down Luffy, Zoro, and Sanji without breaking a sweat. So his ice powers make him the clear winner of this arc. Onto the Water 7 arc, where we're introduced to a bunch of new characters.
Ganahan yung tubig, oh.
So, does Luffy still take the crown as the strongest? Not this time. Instead, Luffy edges out Luffy for the top spot. He debuts his second and third gear, and after a brutal battle with Luffy,
Tama na na kay basin masabrahan kag
the strongest in this arc. After saving Robin, the crew heads back to Water 7.
mabusog kag tubig.
Not only do we get to see Kobe and El Nepo's insane blow-ups, but we're also introduced to Luffy's grandfather, Monkey D. Garp. And honestly, even though he's crying behind him, we see him casually throwing cannonballs with his bare hands. Moving on to the third part, the Straw Hats with the Shadow fruit, which lets him
Do you want water, babe? Oh, water.
So, who's the strongest in this arc? Well, he takes the top spot by a long shot. With his pop-off fruit, he completely wrecks it. And for Zoro making a deal with Yuma,
Oh. Tuka. May nagwawalis dito sa water. Ang ganda ng background mo, nak.